guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Wednesday, which means it's a Walt Disney Wednesday. It's also a takeover, which means Clueless Mama D is here and she never disappoints. So make sure you send her some love in the comments. Check out her channel and I'm gonna let her tell you what she's doing. So take it away.
Hi lovelies, it's Drea, Clueless Mama D here, and thank you Auntie Tay for having me on another Walt Disney Wednesday. The sun is out and my toddler is turning 2, so I thought I would show you guys his birthday Mickey Mouse Pinata. Here he is! Can you blow a kiss? So this is what we made for JJ's 2nd birthday. It was so fun to make and I can't wait to show you guys how to do that. Make sure you subscribe to Auntie Tay's channel, and I would very much appreciate it if you visit my channel after and show me some love in the comments and hit subscribe and the bell there too. And if you guys do visit my channel, you'll see a lot of other stuff like how we decorated your party, right? Bye for now. Say bye lovelies.
I was at Party City and they did have a Mickey Pinata for around $24. There's trouble. So sure, you can buy a pinata, but making it is so much fun, and this cost me under $5 because I already had things like glue. I just used a cardboard box from home, circular things for the ears and the body, but I did buy the tissue paper. And this is just an Amazon box. I just started by tracing Mickey's body. Have you guys ever done a themed birthday party or had one that was Disney themed? Comment below. So you're going to have 2 sides for the body, and then you're going to start on the ears. And the ears need to have sort of a little tail. I'll show you what I mean, but it just helps it hook to the pinata. This was my first time making a pinata, guys. There was some trial and error, and I just edited out what works so you guys have exactly what will work for you. Now, for the width of everything, I did about the size of a large cereal box. And so I use this for the body, and you want to give it some bend so that it rolls nicely into a circular position. And then I just simply taped it. This is so easy, no paper mache, guys. Like all my DIYs are easy to do. This one takes a little bit of time, of course, but it's not hard. So you're going to cut a little slit for the opening for the candy there, just like that. And now you want to know where you're going to place the ears, and then just do a line on top so that you know where to make the incision for the ears. And I'm just doing the width of the ears now using the cereal box. And whatever cardboard you use, you don't want it to be like super thick, sturdy cardboard. You want it to be sort of on the thinner side so that the kids can actually break it. So I slit open a section for the ears, as you can see, so that they're just going to fit. And then I'm going to hot glue them on. I'm going to attach them to this flap and then hot glue everything together there, and then hot glue it to the body. I can't wait for his party, guys. It's gonna be so fun, and he loves Mickey. So there's the body and the ears, and I probably should have did this before, but you want to find somewhere to put, in this case I'm using wire. You could use a strong ribbon. So I'm reopening this and just sliding the crafting wire in this way in red. So you want something sturdy. So I'm just knotting that up. But yeah, if you guys have time to come to my channel, I would so appreciate that. And you guys can see what the actual party looked like. There'll be more DIYs. Now, clearly I'm bad at sports. I can't even get the candy into this hole from this range. But you guys get the drift. Fill it with candy, and then tape it back up. Now for the tissue, you're going to grab the black tissue and you're going to fold it. Grab about 5 of the tissue papers together and then fold them all together like so. And now I'm just slicing the ends so that it's all open on one side, and then the other side where it's all one even fold, that's where I do the slits. And I think that the smaller or skinnier you do the slits, the nicer the crimping turns out. So you're going to open up each individual thing that you did and flip it over, and you want that crimp side to be on the inside. And you can use something like a pencil, or in this case I have a paintbrush to help you pucker those little crimps out, and it just makes a better design if you fold it inside out that way than if you were to do it the other way. See? Gives more volume. And there you do the same thing with red. Now you are going to do that a lot of times just to have enough room for, apparently I say room weird, comment below if you think so, but yeah, you just want to have enough, and then you start doing this, gluing it on, and this is the only thing that takes a little bit of time, but it's kind of relaxing. There you go. And you just put it on, and isn't it pretty? I just love this. I had so much fun making this, guys. You gotta make a pinata. If you have not made a pinata, you have not lived yet. Okay, maybe that was extreme. So you just want to make sure it looks nice and that you've done everything close enough so that you don't have the flat part showing. Now you could totally stop here if you had about enough of the pinata, but I decided to add some stuff. I had some felt paper and I couldn't decide, should I go with yellow buttons or white buttons? What would you have done? Let me know in the comments. I decided to go with white, but I love that yellow, so I thought it'd be super cute to do a felt paper too on top. And I thought that's adorable. And then you just want to trim out any of the funky looking pieces, and there it is, guys, your own Disney DIY. My mind went blank for a sec. Pinata, guys. Pinata. Thanks for watching.